Hello, Poland. My name is Colin Angle, founder, CEO, and chairman of iRobot. As we celebrate Roomba's 20th birthday this year, I'd like to acknowledge what is yet another very important day for our company. We are excited to present our newest product, one that represents countless hours of hard work by our engineering team. Here it is, iRobot's answer to a consumer need, and with it, a one-of-a-kind customer experience, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Once again, iRobot is revolutionizing the robotic cleaning category. We have engineered and built the world's most advanced robot, vacuum, and mop. And with it, we are also introducing new thoughtful iRobot OS 5.0 updates. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus stands out from other two-in-one vacuum and mop robots by automatically vacuuming and mopping in a single job. And this is possible thanks to a fully retractable mop that lifts itself all the way on top of the robot when it encounters carpets and rugs. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus is the first truly hands-free two-in-one robot with this retractable mopping pad, and that's important because it prevents the robot from leaving wet messes on carpets and rugs like others do. With the intelligence that iRobot OS provides, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is able to recognize over 80 common objects, letting it avoid hazards and clean more specific places on command. It is also the only two-in-one vacuum and mopping robot that can understand more than 600 voice commands. And with iRobot OS 5.0 updates, we are bringing new features, new thoughtful experiences that improve intelligence, personalization, and control across our product lineup. So please meet our new game changer, the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus.